You must have often seen VOC range written on solar panels and solar charge controllers. So what does it mean, and where should you check it, and where you do not need to check it? So first of all, let me explain it to you. Its full name is open circuit voltage. When there is no load connected to your solar panel and you measure its output, the output value you see at that time is called its VOC or open circuit voltage. So here, if you have already purchased solar panels and later you are buying a solar charge controller, then you must buy the solar charge controller according to the VOC range of your solar panels. And if you have first purchased the solar charge controller and later you want to connect panels to it, then you should buy solar panels according to the VOC range of your MPPT or PWM solar charge controller. So here we will explain this to you with an example. Here you can see this technical specification. This is of a Smarten company solar charge controller, which is MPPT, and it works on single battery and double battery. So here first, look at the single battery section. In this, its VOC range is from 25 volts to 45 volts. That means if you have connected this solar charge controller on a single battery, then you can connect panels whose VOC range should be minimum 25 volts and maximum 45 volts. Here, between 25 volts and 45 volts, you will get different VOC ranges in different panels. So now let us also show you a panel as an example. This is a Loom Solar Company 180 watt monocrystalline solar panel. So here for example, we are taking this panel and we will explain its specification here. Apart from this, if you take a panel from any other company, its VOC range will also be almost the same. So here, look at its VOC range. It is around 24 volts, or we can assume it as 23 volts. So if you connect this panel, then you will have to connect two panels in series. And what happens when you connect panels in series is that the voltage increases. And if you connect panels in parallel, then their current increases. So here you will see that the open circuit voltage is around 23 volts and the short circuit current is around 9 ampere. So if you connect two panels in series, then this 23 volts will become double. That means it will become close to around 46 volts. And if you connect them in parallel, then its voltage will remain 23 volts. But the current will become close to around 19 ampere. So here it is very important for you to know that if you connect panels in series, the voltage increases, and if you connect them in parallel, the current increases. So here, if you want to connect this panel to that solar charge controller, then you will need to connect two 12 volt panels in series so that the VOC range becomes close to around 46 volts. But we all know that the actual power coming from solar panels is not exactly equal to what is shown in the technical specification. It is slightly less than that. So you will see voltage around 45 volts or slightly less than 45 volts there. So you can connect two 12 volt panels with this solar charge controller. Now let us talk about if you want to connect a 24 volt panel. This is also a Loom Solar Company 375 watt panel, and if you look at its VOC range, it is close to around 45 volts. It is 44 volts. So this panel, however many panels you can connect all of them in parallel only. But one special thing you need to keep in mind is that the limit given there is only 500 watt. So here, if you want to connect two such panels, you cannot do that on a single battery. On a single battery, you can connect only one panel maximum, and it will work within that VOC range. So from these two examples, you now understand that if you use a 12 volt panel, its VOC range is low. That is why you can connect it in series. And if you directly use a 24 volt panel, then its VOC range is already at the maximum according to that solar charge controller. So you can connect only one panel in parallel. And as far as possible, when you are buying a solar charge controller, try to buy one with the highest VOC range you can get. Because the VOC range coming from solar panels can be increased or decreased according to your requirement. For example, if you connect two 12 volt panels, you get a VOC range of around 45 volts. But if you buy a solar charge controller from another company which has a VOC range of 120 volts, then you can connect many panels in series in it. So this is what it means in solar charge controllers and panels. So I hope you have understood what the matter of VOC range is and why you need to check it more carefully while buying a solar charge controller. Because the VOC range of a solar panel is fixed for one panel, but in solar charge controllers, you get different VOC ranges in different models. So I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then like the video and share it. Also subscribe to our channel. Along with subscribing, make sure to press the bell icon so that you keep getting such videos from time to time. Thank you.